Hi guys, this is Baseball Betsy here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a quick and impromptu update of the construction on the Blue Jays downtown stadium here in Dunedin. As you can see here, it looks like they finally started to go vertical there in the outfield. I'm not sure if that is for the new batter's eye or the new screen, but we do have some vertical elements. On the far side there you can see a high lift that was probably used in the construction, and you can also notice that the entire outfield has been dug up. You can see the Blue Jays on the far side still taking practice before they head down to Jack Russell Stadium this afternoon for tonight's game. You can also see that they're using the indoor batting cages as well. Another thing you can notice here is that all the walls in the outfield have been taken down. There's no more signage and the walls themselves are gone. Also, all the flags on the top of the stadium, which were there until earlier this week, are gone. The equipment shed now has a large hole inside. I believe that will be removed. I later found a large piece of the wall laying on the ground out by the fence. It's the 333 or 100 meter mark section. As you can see here, they've set up a new electrical panel for the ballpark. It hasn't been connected yet, but they should be getting all new electricals as well. One thing to note, the half field, or just basically the infield that is artificial surface, is still here. It hasn't been removed yet, and the mound is covered up. Somewhere down this way will be where the boardwalk is. That'll give you 360-degree views of the field. It's a little hard to see anything. There's really no easy way to do this without shooting between 4 or 5 different fences. I can see here they've also torn up the infield grass. I don't know if that'll show up or not because of all the fencing I'm shooting through. But there's obviously been some significant progress, so it's kind of getting exciting. I didn't realize until after I got home and started reviewing some of my stills that the seats in the main grandstand have already been removed. It seems almost desolate here, unused and unloved. I found a couple of the lockers sitting out in the parking lot. They still had the name tags on them. And that's what we can see here off of Beltree Street here in Dunedin. Right now, I'm not sure of any other angles where I can get any shots in it. I'll try later in the week. But for now, this is what we can see here in Dunedin.